Greetings. I am Tony Keleke, your host, running commentary from the Arena of Fire. What I'm gonna do there on the screen winks at you. We all salute you to the greatest martial art boxing in the world, Dambe Warriors. A fighter, Audu Filo, you know him from 42 and 50 Dambe Warriors against the newcomer Shamsin, Tarasa, and an overhand there from Filo, staggers Tarasa. That chase ends in a shared laugh, as you can see them there. Tarasa represents the house of Gurumada. They commence again and wasting no time. The charging bull overhand, but just air thrusting uppercuts from Tarasa. Audu and Tafilo trying to grapple, no impact. For an experienced fighter such as Audu, it should not be the case. I think they will go at it again. The attempt and Filo misses overhand. He tries to grapple to no avail. Tarasa stuck in that overhand there. Filo tried to return the favor, but no impact, and he begins to give chase and driving a lead hook there. Audu is just trying to grab and deliver. If only his opponent would just stay still for him. Good, good chase there. But it was a slam to the back. Nothing impactful to cause any damage at all. Fighters taking a break right now. What happens next? Finishing round 2. Okay, Audu swinging back hooks here. Okay, beautiful one landed there on Tarasa's chin. Look at Bag of Fijo trying to interfere, but Audu Atafilo will have none of that and goes on with the game. Fighters, come on. People want action. So, like a rule in Dambe, this round might end if there's a long period of inactivity, which is a very technical rule adhered to strictly in Dambe, because there are other fighters who would love to spill, you know what I mean, in the Arena of Fire. There was an attempt back hook. I'll do it on the belly, uppercut, all air thrusting from both and nothing happening. So definitely fighter steps in to break them. Enough wasting time. Stay tuned for more electrifying bouts coming your way. I mean, the Feast of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.